Welcome to the GMP Scientific Science of Compliance Guide. Today, we are navigating the critical distinction between resampling and retesting in OOS investigations to ensure regulatory expectations and scientific integrity are met. To understand the difference, look at the material source. Retesting means analyzing a new aliquot taken from the original composite or homogeneous material that produced the OOS result. Resampling, however, involves collecting an entirely new sample from the original batch. Retesting is used to verify laboratory execution. It is appropriate only when investigating if a specific lab error, such as instrument malfunction, sample handling mistakes like dilution errors, or documented analyst execution errors, caused the OOS. Remember, you must use the same sample materials. Resampling challenges the representativeness of the original sample. This is only appropriate when an investigation proves the original sample was not representative of the batch, perhaps due to improper preparation or flawed sampling methodology. It is a correction of a sampling error, not a second chance at a result. Our first major compliance pitfall is testing into compliance. This involves repeating tests until a passing result appears and then ignoring the initial OOS. The FDA explicitly calls this practice unscientific and objectionable under CGMP. You cannot retest simply to hunt for a passing number. Data integrity relies on strict adherence to SOPs. You must specify the maximum number of retests before testing begins and never adjust this number based on results. Furthermore, never average retest results with the original OOS, as this hides critical batch variability. To remove bias, the FDA recommends using a second equally qualified analyst for retests. Having an independent analyst execute the retest provides necessary verification and ensures the investigation remains objective. To remove bias, the FDA recommends using a second equally qualified analyst for retests. Having an independent analyst execute the retest provides necessary verification and ensures the investigation remains objective. Know when to stop. Do not proceed with resampling to replace an OOS just because a retest passed, to hunt for a passing result, or if no root cause has been identified. If the original sample was adequate, the OOS must stand. In summary, retesting investigates the lab, while resampling investigates the sample. Retesting requires predefined limits, while resampling requires strong scientific justification. Both are rigorous tools, not shortcuts to compliance.